Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this series, we are analyzing the June 2024 UGC NET economic paper, starting with macroeconomics. Let's crack it, one question at a time. So, if we see in first question, under fixed exchange rate system, an increasing domestic interest over foreign interest rate will result in. So, this question tests your understanding of monetary policy responses under fixed exchange rate system. It is asking if interest rate in our country became higher than the foreign countries and the exchange rate is fixed, then what will the central bank do? So let's go through the options. In first option, it says an appreciation of domestic currency. So in fixed exchange rate system, if the government or central bank keeps the currency value constant, okay, for example, $1 is equal to 75 rupees. But if there is a higher domestic interest, then investor want to put money in our country to earn more returns. This causes increasing demand for our country. So naturally, rupee would appreciate. But under fixed exchange rate, appreciation is not allowed. So the central bank must intervene to keep the currency stable. Appreciation would happen if the exchange rate was flexible. Okay. So first question is wrong. First option is wrong. Then we go second one is if interest rate is a depreciation of domestic currency. For example, if the interest rate is high, capital flow into the country, that leads to currency appreciation, not depreciation. Okay, so depreciation does not make sense any here. In option C, in increasing domestic money supply. So increasing money supply would happen if RBI was buying rupee and selling dollar, which would cause the depreciation. But here we need to prevent appreciation, so we reduce the money supply, not increase it. So question C is also wrong. So to prevent appreciation, central bank sells its own currency and buy foreign. When RBI sell rupees in market, so rupee leave the system, resulted in decreasing domestic money supply. So fourth option is correct one, because for example, India has fixed exchange rate like $1 is equal to 75 rupees. So India's interest rate is, for example, 7%, and USA's interest rate is 4%. So foreign investor want to invest in India for better return. Okay, so they will buy rupees. So demand for the rupee increases, then resulted in rupees start to appreciate. For example, that 75 became 72 rupees. But under fixed exchange rate, government want to keep $1 is equal to 75 rupees. So RBI will start to sell rupees and buy dollars. So rupee are pulled from economy and money supply goes down. So option D is correct one.